Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer insurance payments using PayPal with proof of payment step by step clearly. To transfer insurance payments using PayPal, start by opening the PayPal app on your device or navigating to the PayPal website. Log into your PayPal account using your email and password. Once logged in, locate the Send and Request option on the home page. Click on Send to initiate the transfer. Enter the email address of the insurance company or the recipient you wish to pay. Input the payment amount in the designated field. You can add a note to specify that this payment is for insurance, which can help with clarity. Choose the payment type as paying for an item or service. Review the details you've entered to ensure everything is accurate. Click on Continue to proceed to the review page. Once on the review page, double-check the recipient's email, payment amount, and note. If everything looks correct, click on Send Payment Now. PayPal will process your payment, and you will receive a confirmation screen as well as an email receipt once the transfer is complete. To obtain proof of payment, navigate to the Activity tab on the PayPal homepage. Locate the specific transaction in your activity list. Click on the transaction to view details. You can download the transaction receipt by selecting the option to print or download. This receipt serves as your proof of payment for the insurance transfer. Make sure to save or print this documentation for your records. You have now successfully transferred insurance payments using PayPal with proof of payment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.